Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to install and style a 360 lace frontal wig. This wig unit is handmade and custom made by me, Scalp Perfection, and is made of two bundles of 24 inches, one bundle of 22 inches, plus 16 inches 360 lace frontal. And the hair is Indian remy hair. To install the unit, I'm going to use got to be glued styling gel. And remember guys, this is not a glue, it's a styling gel, extra hold styling gel, and it's easy to remove and it's gentle to your skin. So I'm using the blow dryer to blow dry the glue so that it's sticky before I apply the lace. I'm so loving the edges. It looks natural. It's very important that when you lay the edges, you take your time to get the natural look. And you don't have to glue down the lace if you don't want. You can wear it just like that. The wig comes with elastic band and combs that you can secure the wig with. When I lay the baby hair, I first use some water just to keep them in place, and then I use the got to be glue styling gel, and then I use the hairspray as well. I use toothbrush when I lay the baby hair. It's perfect for that. So you want to lay the baby hairs properly so that it covers the cut lace. So yeah, take your time and work on it. The baby hair is perfectly laid and on fleek. So it takes patience to create a natural looking hairline. After I'm done laying the baby hair, I tie it for a while to get some extra hold while I'm styling the rest of the hair. I wouldn't have said what I said. I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my own. Sometimes what's right is wrong instead. 'Cause I was too young and I didn't. After I am done blow drying, I will show you a few different styles that you can style your 360 lace frontal wig. Style number 1 is a half up bun. Hindsight is fleeting when your heart's bleeding and all you can see is red till you discover it is within each
each other to forgive and make amends. If I had known then what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said. I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my own. Sometimes what's right is wrong instead. 'Cause I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one.
Style number 2 is 2 buns, one on each side. This style is so cute, I love it. Style number 3 is a half up ponytail on the side. Style number 4 is a high bun, no leave out.
I wouldn't have said what I said. I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my own. Sometimes what's right is wrong instead. 'Cause I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one. And I can't wait to see you
Here I'm curling the hair to add some more volume and style.
hindsight is fleeting when your heart's bleeding and all you can see is red, till you discover it is within each other to forgive and make amends.
I'm creating a side layered bang to frame the face.
Understand that you are the one, and I can't wait to see you again. Oh.
Look how gorgeous the bang is. It's so bouncy and beautiful.
'Cause I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one, and I can't wait to see you again.
Thank you so much guys for taking your time and watching my video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on Facebook or Instagram, and if you are interested of my wigs, you can send me a message. Thank you. Till next time. Ciao.